What do you mean by gold notes on Instagram?
So basically, it's a new feature that has been updated on Instagram. So you must be wondering why Instagram updated this feature. As far I know, Instagram is celebrating the 2024 Paris Olympics by making the notes in gold color on the platform. The feature appears to be a global rollout. However, certain keywords also trigger the change for notes on the social media platform. If you are unaware, notes are a sort of sticky notes like feature that users can add to their account, and it appears at the top of the profile icon on the direct message screen. Like the stories on Instagram, these notes automatically disappear after 24 hours of posting. Also, users can use them for quick updates and sharing a thought among other things with their followers. If you are wondering on how you can use it, all you want to do is make sure that your application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Once you are logged into your account, head over to the inbox section. At the top left corner, tap on your note. So what you want to make sure is that you need to involve the word gold in order to apply this gold theme feature. So let me write something like, how about gold and silver? Once you have entered, tap on share at the top right corner. And there you go, the gold theme feature has been applied successfully. If you enter the note without typing the word gold, then this feature won't be applied to your account. So make sure that the involvement of gold word is available while entering the notes. So hope you guys are clear about what the gold notes feature is on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.